Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to discuss to you about solving exponential and logarithmic equations. Now, in the previous discussion that we had, we already discussed some of the properties or laws of exponents as well as laws of logarithms, right? So this time we're going to use those properties in solving exponential and logarithmic equations. So we start with the first example. What is our first example? This one. Solve the equation 625 raised to 3x equals 125 raised to x plus 1. Notice that 625 raised to 3x and 125 raised to x plus 1, these are examples of exponential functions. We recall that exponential function is of the form b raised to x, where b is a real number and it has an exponent that involves variable, right? So this example here, this is an example of an exponential equation. Now, how can we solve this one? So we start with the first step of our solution. Okay, first step, solution. Okay, so we copy first the given equation 625 raised to 3x is equal to 125 raised to x plus 1. What are we going to do next is to find, okay, or to rewrite 625 and 125 to come up with the same basis. Now notice that 625 can be written as 5 raised to 4. Because 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 is 125, times 5 is equal to 625. And there is an exponent 3x here, so we have to multiply 4 by 3x. And 125 can also be written as 5 raised to 3. Then the exponent 3 will be multiplied to x plus 1. Okay? Now, take note that the left-hand side and the right-hand side has a base of 5, right? Okay. Now, taking the logarithm of both sides, we have log of 5 raised to 4 times 3x is equal to the log of 5 raised to 3 times x plus 1. Okay? Now, take note that whatever operation that is applied to the left-hand side must also be applied to the right-hand side for us to say that they are equal, right? So since we apply the logarithm of this side, we also apply the logarithm of this side. Okay? Now applying the law or property of logarithm, we have to simplify this one first. Okay? The logarithm of something with an exponent, right? Then that is equal to 4 times 3x, right? The exponent times the log of 5. Okay? And this one, the exponent, 3 times x plus 1, then the log of 5. Okay? And since log of 5 is a constant, so we can divide this one by the log of 5, divide by log of 5. Okay? Then this can be equal to what? This is equal to 1. Okay? So this is 12x. Okay? Then this is 3x plus 3. 12x minus 3x is equal to 3. So this is equal to 9x is equal to 3. Therefore, divided by 9, this implies that x is equal to 1/3. Okay? X is equal to 1/3. So let us see if x is equal to 1/3 is really a solution of this given equation. So let us check. Okay, check if x is equal to 1/3. Okay, so we are going to substitute 1/3 to the given variable. So this is 625 raised to 3 times 1/3 is equal to 125 1/3 raised to 1/3 plus 1. This is 625 because this will be 1. 125 1/3 plus 1, this is 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4, so we have 4 over 3. Now, this is not yet obvious that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, so we have to simplify. So 625, now 125 raised to 4 over 3 can be written as the cube root of 125 raised to 4. Okay? Now this one, this is also equal to cube root of 125 raised to 3 times 125. Okay? Right? Because applying the law of exponent, the same base, all you have to do is to add the exponent. So this one is just equal to this. Okay, then applying the nth root property, the cube root of 125 cube times the cube root of 125. Okay, now this will be cancelled. So the answer is 125. Now take note that cube root of 125 can be written as 5 cube. Okay, so the answer is the cube root of 5 cube is equal to 125 times 5, which is equal to 625. Okay, so meaning our answer, x is equal to 1/3, is a solution of this given equation. Okay, so for the second example, we move on to the example about the logarithmic equation. Okay, so for the second example, we are going to solve this equation, and this is an example of a logarithmic equation. Now, to solve this logarithmic equation, all we need to do is to use some of the properties or laws of logarithm. So we start with the first step of our solution. Okay, now we examine this equation term by term. So we have the first term, log of 2x to the base of 3 minus log of the quantity of x minus 3 to the base of 3, which is equal to 1. Okay, now recall, notice that the left-hand side is of the form log of x to the base of a minus log of y to the base of a, which is equal to, by property of logarithm, log of x over y to the base of a. Okay, so this x here corresponds to 2x and y corresponds to the quantity of x minus 3. So using this formula, we have the given log of 2x to the base of 3 minus log of quantity x minus 3 to the base of 3 is equal to 1. That's the original equation. Using this formula, we have log of 2x over x minus 3 to the base of 3 is equal to 1. Now in exponential form, this is equal to 3 raised to 1 is equal to 2x over x minus 3. Now simplifying the equation, we have 3 times x minus 3 is equal to 2x. Simplifying this, we have 3x minus 9 is equal to 2x. Okay, which is equal to 3x minus 2x is equal to 9. This implies that x is equal to 9. In other words, the value of x, okay, is equal to 9. And let us see if x is equal to 9 is really the solution. That means if it is the value that can satisfy the equation. So let us check. Okay, so checking. Okay, let us check. Let's make a divider first. So check if x is equal to 9. So if x is equal to 9, log of 2 times 9 is equal to 3 minus log of 9 minus 3 to the base of 3 is equal to 1. Okay, we will see if the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So this is log of 18 to the base of 3 minus log of 6 to the base of 3. Okay, let us put question mark first because we have not yet proven that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Okay, so applying the property or laws of logarithm, this is equal to the log of 18 divided by 6 divided by 3 equal to 1. Okay, yes, because this logarithm, okay, can be written as in exponential form. This is 3 raised to 1, 18 divided by 6, which is equal to 3. Okay, so that's it. Meaning the value of our x is the solution, of the given equation. Okay, so that is how we solve the logarithmic equation. So all you have to do is to familiarize the laws of exponents as well as the laws of the logarithm. Okay, so thank you so much. Hope you like this video and hope that you learn something from this video, and don't forget to share the learning that you got from this video. Thank you once again, and God bless.